So hello guys, welcome back to my channel MD Learnings. So today in this video I am going to show you what is Paste Special and how to use it. See, in whenever you're using Excel, you are sometimes copying some of the cell and you're pasting it somewhere. And Paste Special will help you. It will save your time because whenever you are copying something, the cell will be in some different formats. So using this Paste Special, you can paste as it is with the required format. So how to use it? So before I start this video, I just want to say, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, because see, if you're going to like and subscribe, then you will get notification of my each and every video whichever I'm going to post. So let's start the learning. So guys, as you can see the screen, here you can see I have some data with me. Okay, in this I have serial number, product, city and sales, and different type of names are there. Product names, which is keyboard, mouse, hard disk and pen drive. Different products are there. So in the C column you can see city names are there. So what if I want, if I will copy and paste this in right side of my sheet, just paste this. I will just copy this table. And what you're doing, whenever you're copying something, you will press Ctrl plus C, you will select the data and you will press Ctrl plus C and just click on the cell where you want to paste and Ctrl V. So as you can see how it is, see in this table everything is adjusted properly, whether it is column width or row width, it is adjusted properly. When I copied it, you can see everything changed. It is not as per the my left side, whichever table is there, it is not as per the table. So what I want, I need to copy this first, Control C, and I need to paste it with the same column width. For that, for this we are going to use Paste Special. So what we have to do, just click on the cell where you want to paste. In the right side in the home tab, you can see here clipboard is there. Here you will see paste and one down arrow is there. Just click on that arrow and here you can see so many different options are there. So this is a normal paste what we are doing using Control V. There is a formula paste, whatever formula is there you can paste it. So what I need to keep the format. Okay, what I need to keep my same format what is in my this table. So what I have to do, here you can see the option which is keep source column width. Okay, so once I click on this, you can see whatever column width is there in the first table, the same I am getting in my the second table which I am going to paste it. So once I click on this, you can see the source column width is same as it is in the first table. Okay, the next thing is, what is the next option of Paste Special? What is the different options? I will show you. Here you can see so many different options are there. Okay, so once I will do one thing, I will just copy this. Okay, what I will do, here you can see we have some formula in this cell which is D2 plus D4, means cell number D2 and cell number D4. This is sum of these two cells. Okay, so whenever I am copying and pasting this, okay, you can see the value changes because it is taking the formula, source formula it is taking. So what I want only the value to be pasted in my F3 cell. So for that I'm going to use Paste Special. First I will copy this, I will go to my paste, and here you can see we have the option of so many different paste options are there. Keep source column with what we have used just now. You paste formula. Okay, so you can paste only formula as I did in previously. I pasted it and only the formula is pasted, the value is not pasted. In the right side here you can see formula and number formatting, whatever format of number is there and formula, it is going to paste only formula and number formatting. Fourth one is keep source formatting. What is the format of that cell? It is going to keep that source format. I want to paste values, only values. Okay, so in this cell I want to paste only values, so I will select values. So once I am selecting values, you can see here only the value of D3 cell, which is 104, is pasted in the cell F3. The formula, once you click on this cell, you can see here we have some formula. If it is not visible, I will just little zoom in. You can see it properly. Here you can see I have the formula. Okay, so when I pasted values, only my value is pasted, formula is not pasted. So this is how we can use paste special, and we can paste only values. Because sometimes, see, in the master sheet we are doing some calculations and we are using some formula, but whenever we are presenting to someone, we don't want that formula and the working what we did to be presented in front of the front person. So just I will paste the values. One more thing of this paste value I will show you. I will delete this table first, and I will copy this table, and same, select the cell, go to your paste special, and here you can see values. So once I pasted values, you can see everything went only. Okay, let me paste it again in this cell. And once I pasted values, you can see the format of the table, and whatever number formats are there, it is changed. All the formulas, all the format went, and I got only the values what was there in that cell, which is keyboard. You can see the font also, font is also changed of the cells, and it is only here I got only values. The formats, the tables, everything went. So I will control Z to undo it. And now other options, what it is, you can see here whenever you are copying something. So you can see I have copied the cell D4. So here I have some options. I want this cell to be copied and I want to paste this as image. So for that, here you can see other paste options are there. In that you have the option of formatting. You have the option first where to paste. I will select it, and now I will paste picture. So once I select it, here you can see the format. I can't edit it. It is a picture. The cell becomes a picture, and you can see you can adjust the height and width of the cell, and you can use this as a picture. Same thing if you are presenting something in PowerPoint and you have created a table in MS Excel, you can just copy that table and paste it as a picture. I will show you this table. I will copy this. I will go to the paste special, and here you can see just click on the cell where you want to paste. I am forgetting this every time. And go to your paste special, and here you can see format. First option is format. So once I selected format, the format what table was having the same, only the format is pasted. All the data is gone, only the format is copied and it is pasted. And once I select the picture, click on the picture, now you can see this is not a table. Now this is totally converted into a picture, and you can use this to present your data. Okay, table, sometimes see whenever we are copying table from Excel and we are pasting in PowerPoint, the format or something is changed. Sometimes it not looks good. So what we can do, we can copy it, and same thing you can paste it anywhere, whether you can open MS Word or PowerPoint. I will show you the PowerPoint first. Just open the PowerPoint tab, open a blank. Okay, just delete this, go to your Excel, copy this and paste it. Now you can see the table what was there in my Excel, it is in PowerPoint, and no one can do the changes also. So while presenting, what happens sometimes, whenever we are presenting and we have pasted a manual table, we have made a table, and we have entered something, and in between if anything got deleted, it doesn't look nice while presenting something. So what we can do, we can make a table, you can make the graphs or tables in your MS Excel, and you can paste as an image. You can copy as an image and you can paste it and you can use it for your presentation. In the next thing, here we have option of pasting values, pasting pictures, pasting formats, and pasting only the column with the source column. Means if I will copy this and I will paste it somewhere, okay, here you can see values. I am going to paste the values and source formatting. The format in which the cell is there, the cell which I am copying, same source format I want to paste it in the other cell with values. Formula, I don't want formula. I want only values, and the format, source format I want. So this is how we are using different options present in Paste Special. So one more thing we can do, I will show you the final thing, which is, and it is not a bigger thing, it is very small thing. Just practice makes the man perfect. So what we are going to use, I will show you the final thing. So what I'm going to do, here you can see in the Paste Special, here you have Paste Special option. So if you are copying something, okay, if I am copying this and I want to paste it in the right side, so I want only values. Here you can see, you can get the values. Okay, here you can get the values. So in the Paste Special, I have so many different options. Paste all means all the numbers with formula, including the format, which is the border of red color which I have given. Okay, next thing is formula. Okay, so if you will select formula, only the formula which is present in that cell will be copied. Values, only the values will be copied, formula will be removed. Only you want the format, means the table format what you have made, only the format you want, so you can format it and you can paste the format. Here you can see border is there, only the format is pasted. So in Paste Special we have so many different options to paste. So you can try this and you can learn this. Here you have different options of all using source theme, all except borders. If I will select all except borders, so here borders will be removed but formula will not be removed. So you have so many different options like formula and number format, values and number format, column width. So whenever we are copying something, we are going to paste it somewhere. That is definitely, that is the thing, we are going to paste it somewhere. So to save your time, use this Paste Special, and this is very helpful for you guys. So guys, seriously, if you like this video and you learn something, I will expect you will just subscribe, hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and just good luck, best of luck, and just keep learning. Thank you so much.